Feeling lost in the VA disability appeals maze?
You're not alone!
Many veterans find it tricky, but there are many sources to help you navigate it step by step. If your claim gets denied, don't lose hope. Instead, read your decision letter carefully. Gather your evidence, like medical records, and choose the best way to appeal: higher level review, supplemental claim, or Board of Veterans Appeals. Just take it from Jane, a veteran like you. After a denial, she dove deep into her decision letter, collected her docs, and pursued a higher level review. Guess what? Her claim was approved. Stay organized, be patient, and remember, understanding this process is your power. Ready to reclaim your benefits?
Hit up the VA's website now.
You've got this, Veterans VA Appeals, you got this. The VA disability appeals process can feel like a daunting task, but it's designed for your benefit. As you embark on this journey, remember that every step counts, and your perseverance can lead to success. Begin by taking a deep breath, focusing on each phase at a time, and visualizing the positive outcome you seek. Gather your documentation, ensure clarity in your appeal, and address any concerns outlined in your decision letter. Next, consider seeking support from veterans organizations or online forums, as connecting with others who are going through similar experiences can provide valuable insights. Sharing your story or asking questions can foster a sense of community and bolster your confidence. Additionally, various resources and guides are available to help you through the intricacies of your appeal, so take advantage of them. Remember, you are not alone in this fight. Many have come before you and emerged victorious. As you navigate this intricate process, don't hesitate to lean on the support of family and friends who can lend a listening ear or help you stay organized. Keeping a dedicated folder for all your documents and a checklist for each phase of your appeal can make a significant difference. This way, you'll ensure that nothing is overlooked, and you'll feel more in control of your situation. Remember, every detail matters, and taking these proactive steps indeed empowers you on this challenging journey. As you prepare your appeal, don't hesitate to celebrate small victories along the way. Every document gathered, each new piece of evidence added, and the completion of each form represents progress towards your goal. This is a journey that requires dedication and resilience, but remember to give yourself credit for your efforts. You are taking proactive steps to secure the benefits you deserve, and that is commendable. Embrace this process, stay informed, and keep your end goal in sight: the hope of a successful appeal that will provide you the support you need. As you stand at this crossroads, clarity becomes your ally. A simple misstep can feel daunting in the VA appeals maze, yet each step can be managed with thoughtful consideration. Explore every angle of your case, and don't hesitate to reach out for clarification on aspects that puzzle you. With each action you take, from checking off your evidence list to refining your appeal form, you build a stronger foundation for your case. Above all, stay focused and ensure the story behind your appeal is told clearly and convincingly. Seek to communicate the truth of your service and its impact on your life. As you move forward, remember to stay proactive in your communication with the VA. Follow up if necessary, asking for updates on your claim status. This not only shows your commitment to the process, but also helps you remain informed about any changes or required information that may arise. A well-articulated inquiry can reinforce your seriousness about your appeal, while also building rapport with the officials handling your case. By being engaged and persistent, you can play a crucial role in steering your appeal toward a successful resolution. As you continue on this journey, remember the importance of staying organized. Create a timeline for your appeal process, with crucial deadlines highlighted. This simple step can significantly reduce stress and help you stay on track. Each item crossed off your timeline will not only boost your confidence, but also serve as a reminder of the progress you are making. If you're feeling uncertain about this process, rest assured that you can seek help. Many local veterans organizations are ready to provide guidance and camaraderie. Connecting with those who've experienced similar challenges can ease your anxiety and offer new perspectives. Don't hesitate to reach out for support. Building relationships with others in the same boat will empower you on this journey. As you gather your evidence, consider the importance of consistency. Every piece you collect should relate back to your initial claim. Look for any reports or documents that not only affirm your health conditions, but also illustrate their impact on your daily life. Don't rush this phase. Take the time to cross-reference your findings against your decision letter, ensuring everything aligns seamlessly with the reasons given for the denial. This thoroughness can significantly bolster your appeal and help demonstrate the validity of your case. With this foundation in place, you're one step closer to making your voice heard. Remember that appealing a VA decision is not just a process, it's a vital opportunity for you to assert your rights. Patience is crucial, and during the waiting period, consider exploring additional resources that could strengthen your case. Connecting with local advocacy groups or online veteran communities can provide support and advice tailored to your specific situation. Sharing your experiences and learning from others who have successfully navigated the process can be incredibly reassuring. Staying informed and engaged will empower you throughout your appeal journey, reminding you that you're not going through this alone. Ultimately, your well-being is the priority, and every effort you invest is a step towards securing the benefits you deserve. Gather your evidence carefully and methodically. Revisit the key elements from your claim as you compile your evidence. Focus on obtaining updated medical evaluations, testimonies from healthcare providers, and any additional documentation that can strengthen your position. As you conclude this journey, recognize that the VA disability appeals process is a pathway to advocating for your rights and securing the benefits you've earned. Keep your spirit high, stay informed, and remember that your resilience is your greatest asset. You have the strength to navigate this successfully.